Welcome to our guide on setting up a Groundnut pre-processing services business. In this video, we'll learn how much you can earn from this business. We will also break down the initial investment required, which falls into two categories: fixed capital and working capital. First, let's talk about earnings from the business. In a best case scenario, you might earn between 4 to 5 lakhs rupees every season. And it gets better. By the end of the first year, you could be earning between 5 to 6 lakhs rupees per season. This is your actual profit, after paying all expenses, loans, and taxes. By the end of the second or third year, you could be earning between 6 to 12 lakhs rupees every season. That's the potential success of investing 10 lakhs rupees in your business. Next, let's discuss fixed capital, amounting to 9 lakhs 50,000. This includes investment in long-term assets such as machinery and equipment. We're talking about purchasing machines, agricultural equipment, or any infrastructure that can be used to provide services to farmers in a local or regional community. Also included in fixed capital are expenses like insurance, licenses, and permits. When starting a Groundnut pre-processing services business with a capacity of per day 10 acres, you'll need these types of machinery. For processing groundnut, you will need machine groundnut threshing machine. Aim for a machine costing around 4 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Next, you will need water drums costing around 3,000. Then, you will need a tractor engine that provides power to operate various agricultural tools and machines, which costs around 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees. You may also need folds, tiller, ditch, plow, geese wheel, costing around 1 lakh 92,000 rupees. These equipments are useful for earning extra income when the business is off-season. Next, we have business maintenance, totaling 30,000 rupees. In a services business, the working capital requirement is very low. Working capital is needed during the season to cover cash in hand and purchase some necessary raw materials which you may need to provide the service. So, the total capital investment for your Groundnut pre-processing services business stands at 10 lakhs. This gives you a clear financial roadmap for your business. Understanding where to source this capital is as important as knowing how much you need. Fixed capital and working capital have different roles, hence, their sources should be distinct. Fixed capital is invested in assets that stay in your business for a long time, like equipment and machinery. It's called fixed because it doesn't convert to cash quickly. For raising fixed capital, consider long-term, patient sources that don't require immediate repayment, like personal savings, help from friends and family, partnerships, or reinvesting profits. With this financial planning strategy, you're well on your way to establishing a successful Groundnut pre-processing services business. This video, thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.